palm facing the front, and repeat the oath of allegiance after me. I, NRC number Pune, having entered the service of the Republic of Singapore under the Enlistment Act, do solemnly and sincerely affirm that I will always bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Singapore. I will be ready at the order of the government to rise up to the defense of the Republic of Singapore. I will obey the laws of the Republic of Singapore and the orders of my commanders. I will carry out my duties with integrity, courage and commitment at all times. I will preserve and protect the honor and independence of the Republic of Singapore with my life. This is